Have you ever wondered what are 3 basic things to make easy money in affiliate marketing? Do you often wonder how to reach the actual potential of rationalization in affiliate marketing? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of using a proper focus on affiliate marketing? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about making money 3 easy ways with affiliate marketing. Now let's get into it. I know you are going to learn a lot of valuable information, so I have tailored this in a way that is simple, easy to follow, and best of all gives you confidence quickly that you can make money the cheap way. One of the first things you want to do as an internet marketer is break even as regards your expenditure in learning, buying tools, and getting traffic, list building. Don't be fooled, making very big money has an associated cost. That's why I'm going to teach you systematically how to get from broke to rich in an organized way. Step 1: Rationalize. Review each of your internet marketing outgoings, ensuring each is absolutely necessary. Also, stop buying up everything in sight if it's not directly helping you. Buying indiscriminately can in fact distract you from progressing forward. You are distracted with the new book, gadgets, and money-making schemes, as well as getting bombed by a new list with even more ideas, offers, etc. You will have a few tools that are necessary and required to make money and build a list: PPC ads, autoresponder, etc. So look at what this is costing you on a monthly basis. Review these necessary costs further and see if you can save even more. For example, can you buy your own autoresponder software that will pay for itself after 6 months? Can you use only free traffic sources initially until you have honed your advertising skills, getting fantastic conversion rates, etc.? Step 2: Get focused. Stop leaping from one thing to the next best thing since sliced bread. Look, marketers are very good at persuasion, but your immediate choice is to be a consumer or be a seller. For now, simplify your approach to be focused on one project that will make you money and let nothing distract you. You must be disciplined in order to focus, but this is a critical step. Frankly, online marketing is a huge field. There are many hundreds of individual things you need to learn, and most you need to master, so do that process with as little cost as required. If you are working on your own project, website, product, or whatever it is, drop it right now and park it until you get the basics right. The foundation, or in this case your understanding of each internet marketing component, needs to be solid before you build on it. Building your own website and product right off the bat might be rather expensive and can confuse an already difficult process, so I would suggest you look for a fantastic affiliate program. You see, both affiliate marketing and building your own business have one key element in common: traffic. As you may know, traffic is the lifeblood of any business. He who controls the traffic controls the money. This is the single best way to make money and will provide you with the best understanding of how to build a successful online business. The difference with affiliate marketing is that you already have a good product, site, sales page, and effective promotion material in order to succeed. If you cannot succeed as an affiliate marketer, you will not as a website owner. No question. Once you learn the fundamentals of what attracts traffic and converts them into buyers, you will understand how to build your own successful online business. What is a good example to understand what I am trying to teach you? Wanting to start your own business without really understanding what you are doing is similar to wanting to drive a car without first understanding the road rules that apply. It is dangerous and very costly. Learn the road rules first, then you can start your driving lessons. The difference is that affiliate marketing will still make you tons of money. Do you now understand why affiliate marketing is a better way to learn internet marketing? Because you are taking almost no risk at all, learning everything you need to know, and still making money. The better you get, the more money you make. Then you will be ready for your own online business. There is just so much to understand in internet marketing, but understanding its core principles is fully represented in the affiliate marketing field. Step 3: Plan to break even. Now, belonging to several affiliate programs, you might think will make you more money, right? If you knew how to affiliate market properly, yes, that would be true. But at this stage you do not, So find one very good affiliate program with a good product, good tracking system, and good financial returns to you. Good affiliate programs are easy to find and will help you master the key components of online marketing without the huge cost. Let's be honest, I'm sure you'd rather make mistakes with someone else's product than your own, right? Once you have found a great affiliate program, work out how many sales it would take for you to break even against your monthly expenditure. Affiliate programs with monthly recurring charges, such as membership sites, are good since they will return the same amount to you each month, without having to make any more sales. Multi-tier affiliate programs with monthly recurring charges are even better. This would mean anyone you had signed up for the program that goes out and signs up others into the program, will provide you with even more money. Let me explain a little further. Say a program is $50 a month to join and pays you as an affiliate 50% on each sale. So, say you sign up 4 people and therefore provide you $100 per month recurring, 4 times $25 equals $100 to you each month. Now say one of the 4 people you signed up goes and signs up another 4 people and you get paid a second tier rate of say 10%, $5, for each of your sign-up recruits. That's another $20 per month. $50 at 10% equals $5 by 4 equals $20, for you doing nothing at all, right? Okay, peanuts, I hear you say. Now say you signed up 100 people in the first place and encourage them to sign others using the same methods you had learned. Now, being the clever person you are, your training teaches 20 of those recruits to sign up an average of 10 people each. Now let us do the numbers. You made $50 at 50% x 100 signups equals $2,500 per month directly from your own efforts, but that little extra encouragement to your affiliates also netted you $20 seconds. Tier affiliates x 10 signups each equals 200 signups. $200 x $5 equals $1,000. Your grand total is $3,500 per month recurring from one program. And, with that, we've reached the end of this video all about making money 3 easy ways with affiliate marketing. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases as always. Thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon at the next one.